Hey, what's up, smooth low portion? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about SLP coin. Guys, in this video, I'm talking about the latest update, absolutely SLP crashing our stars. So, what should we do at this time, and how we can save yourself from loss, guys? Just look here, the latest situation of SLP coin is 0.152024 USD dollar is the current live price of the SLP. And furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes, so completely the unbelievable changes occur in the SLP coin. Completely, guys, the price of the smooth low portion in the market is going decrease. So now, what is a perfect decision for us? Is it a good time to buy? Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to hold? Let me show you guys, but please again I request everybody to please subscribe my channel. You can see here, guys, from the 1st August, we only saw the falls of SLP coin. You can see here only saw falls crash, and just look here, negative 51.84% the price decrease. 51% the price decrease in the last 1 month, and 0.31868 USD dollar is the highest price of the SLP coin. So guys, now the bedtime of SLP starts, and a lot of people ask me question that when there is a possibilities that the price will pump. So I think that, guys, that in the beginning of a new month, possibilities that the price will pump. So please don't decide to sell, because now at this time, if you decide to sell, so you are completely in the loss, because you can see here that the last 1 month changes is in negative. So if the last 1 month changes is in negative, that's mean that the last 1 month holders are in the negative, are in the loss. So just holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.